Sean Elliott asked, where do you get artists from and how do you set up deals with them? I'll talk on this. I get my artists from onlinejobs.ph. They're technically VAs, so they're over in the Philippines. But you can get artists from anywhere. I mean, I've worked with artists that I found on Instagram or even locally at art shows, which is a really cool place to talk to people, especially if you're good at face-to-face stuff. So you can find artists a lot of different places. It depends what you want from them. I will say that the local artists that I found in Florida are not producing, hundreds of designs for me every day. They'll like something when they get inspired after like some cool event happens, and they'll tell me about it and explain all the background behind this like one piece of art and why they want to put it on a t-shirt. Thankfully, they usually have an audience that's interested in that stuff. So even just saying like I work with an artist can be a very big spectrum of deals that you. If you're looking for someone to help you fill slots and can create like good content daily, definitely look at Online Jobs BH. There's just a lot of really good people on there, and most of them I found have spoken or speak. I don't even speak good English, but they speak good English, so they're easy to communicate with. Yeah. So exactly how I set up the deals and everything like that, I can share with that a little bit more, probably one-on-one. But the basic idea is I ask them kind of what they're looking for and what if they're able to produce. This is speaking to VAs, and that really puts the ball kind of in their ballpark, however the saying goes. Because that way you're not undercutting them, and you're not gonna like overpay them, even though that sounds kind of weird, like overpay someone much. But yeah, I've found that's been the best way to like kind of conduct the deals. Like, how many pieces of art can you do? What would be something that can help you live monthly? That's how I pay my VAs, so I can have your time, so you can do this. Things like that. Just asking simple questions like that have really helped me. Yeah. So the other part of that question was, how do you set up a deal with them? Yeah. So basically, that you just want to ask them what you can do to help them, and that usually brings about the best deals, and how I've gotten my art pretty low, how we can do like $5 deals and things like that.